This video is for those people who love to teach. In this video, I am going to discuss about an interactive whiteboard application named OpenBoard. First, we have to click on OpenBoard. See that this is for macOS, Windows and Ubuntu. Here I want to download it for Windows. See that this is downloading and the file is 53.3 MB. Click open to continue. Clicking yes, you can install it. This is very simple process. As I have already installed it, I want to directly open the application. This is the main interface. By clicking background, we can set our background. We can increase the grid size from here. If we want to write something, we have to click pen option, then color and line thickness. Here I am using mouse to write something. Selecting the cursor option and selecting all the text, we can move the text anywhere in the board. If we want to erase any part of the text, we have to select the erase option and then rub on that part to erase it. If we want to erase all the text, simply click on erase option. We can highlight the text by selecting the highlight icon and selecting color. We can highlight the text. If we want to type something, we have to select the text icon and here we can write anything. And we can set the font color, size of the text, etc. If we want next page, we have to click pages. If we click OpenBoard and select preference and go to network, here we can set our home page for browsing. I have selected google.com as my home page. If we click on web, the board will directly take us to the browser which we have already selected. Now selecting the cursor button, we can search anything. If we select writing pen, we can directly write on the screen. This is very helpful tool for teachers to record real-time lectures using OBS Studio or any other live streaming application while go on YouTube Live. If we want any image from the page, we have to select the capture part of the screen option and select required portion. And now can add to current page, add to new page or add to library. Here I am selecting add to current page. Selecting it, you can resize it and see that this is very interesting and helpful. If we want to add some PDF file, we have to click on document, then click on import and select the PDF file. Now you can do anything or any selected pages. You can write and highlight text. If we want to remove any discussion, we simply have to select the file and drag it to Thrash. It will ask your permission. Click yes, and from Thrash you can permanently delete it. If we go to library, from here we can add audios, movies, picture, animation, application, tapes, etc. If we click on application, we can see a lot of interactive mathematical options. If we drag a ruler, we can place it to the suitable area to draw line. If we click draw option, we can draw a required diagram while teaching mathematics or other discipline. In the same way, we can drag protractor to draw angles. Similarly, we can drag triangle option and resize it. To draw circle, drag compass, resize your radius and draw circle. You can draw graph by selecting graph option, add clock, stopwatch, browse Wikipedia. In the same way, you can use Google Map to teach students. Hope you will enjoy your teaching with this open board application. Must try it.